Janelle are dicks. But I gotta warn them. Shit. You got a quarter? Hello?
Janelle, it's me.
John?
Yeah. Is everything all right? Are you guys okay?
Sure, honey. Everything's okay.
Are you all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
John, it's late. Honey, I was beginning to worry about you. If you hurry home, we can sit down and have dinner together. I'm making beef stew.
Something's wrong. She's never this nice.
John? Where are you?
What the hell is the goddamn dog barking at? Hey! Shut up, you worthless piece of shit!
The dog's really barking.
Thought you were gonna tell the kid to get rid of that fucking mutt.
John, honey, it's late. Please don't make me worry.
Could I already be there?
Honey, are you okay?
I'm right here. I'm fine.
Are you sure? Are you sure you're all right?
What's the dog's name?
Max. Hey, Janelle. What's wrong with Wolfie? I can hear him barking. Is he okay?
Wolfie's fine, honey. Wolfie's just fine. Where are you?
Your foster parents are dead.
I need a minute here. You're telling me that this thing can imitate anything it touches?
Anything it samples by physical contact.
Get real. Like it could disguise itself as a pack of cigarettes.
No, only an object of equal size.
Well, why don't it just become a bomb or something to get me?
It can't form complex machines. Guns and explosives have chemicals, moving parts. It doesn't work that way. But it can form solid metal shapes.
Like what?
Knives and stabbing weapons.